Hello folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive, and in particular looking at our stunning Porsche Panamera S Tiptronic. This one is just 2 owners from new. We recently took it in part exchange. We have service history. It comes with both keys and it's got a big spec. Now, I don't profess to be an expert on Porsche specification, but nonetheless I'll do my best for you and try and highlight some of those as we walk round it. The car comes with a national RAC warranty, so if you don't live geographically that close to us, don't worry. You can go to any VAT registered garage near you and they will liaise with the RAC directly. The only thing to remember, they won't pay main dealer labour rates. So whilst you might be tempted to go to a Porsche main dealer for the warranty, you would pay the difference should you want to. There's no admin fee with us, so literally the price you see is the price you pay. Okay, so as we walk round, like I say, I'll try and highlight some of the things for you. As you can see, we've got park assist front and rear, but you can just pick out the sensors there, and then also tucked under that number plate is the camera. So yes, this also has 360-degree camera. So the mirrors, which I'll show you in a minute, also has the camera in them. As you can see, the headlights, we've got the xenon headlights. And then as we move round, privacy glass on the rear. That's not aftermarket, it's not stick-on, it's genuine. And then, as you can see as well, sunroof. And then, look, if you look just under there, that's where your other camera sits for the side. And then, yeah, so let's show you inside. So we've got electric seats with a memory function for the seat is in the door just here. So electric seats, believe it or not, I think even this was an option to have it lit up when you open it up, the door shut there. But full leather, in fantastic condition, look, with the embossed Porsche. You can just pick it out. Ah, there we go. You can just pick it out on there. I'd hate to think what they charged you for that when it was new. And then going around, even the little clock in the centre of the dash there would have been extra. As you can see, there's no scratches, no marks, nothing. All in great condition. Even the prime wear areas here and down here, we have no such issues with this car. And in the rear, as you can see, no problems at all. Again, if the rear is used a lot, some of these areas with kids jumping over and so on can get damaged. Certainly no good if you've got more than 2 kids, but all the backs of the seats, all in great condition. And again, that door card, look, it's like new. As we come round to the back, as you can see, parking sensors here and here. I'll just show you the other side so you can see it on the fluke, as they say. Again, look, all those seats are spotless, lovely. And then the other little feature which I quite like, don't know why, call me silly, but watch. If I just push it partly to, it has the soft close. Oh, I didn't show you the boot, so let's show you the boot. And just push that there. So quite a neat little idea with the parcel shelf. What they do, it's attached to the tailgate, so it's up out the way, and when it comes down, because it's then flat, it doesn't then provide any hindrance to viewing. You could still fold the seats down, as you can see, fold this side, leave that up, or vice versa, or fold them both, it's not a problem. And then to shut it, hit the button. And then back to the driver's door. Like I say, all the electric windows and a few other little operations down here, as you can see, where we've got the boot, which I've just pressed, electric folding mirrors and so on, which I've got there as well. Then electric windows front, electric windows rear, central lock in here, and then again the same as the passenger side, we have the memory seats for the electric function there. So let's show you what it's like in here. So auto lights, multi-function steering wheel, all your wipers are this side, indicators main beam there, cruise control tap down there, and like I say, it's got all the functions down the centre, including all your ride height switches and what sort of driving you feel like doing. But again, as you can see, all of this, no problem at all. And let's show you with the multi-function steering wheel. Let's just put the key in the ignition. I won't start it. And as you can see, you can even get your sat nav on that dial there, and on there as well. So you can have vice versa. It's fairly straightforward with this. I can just go back to the tuner there. So you've got your radio on display there, but I can still have the sat nav on display there. And obviously the reason all the lights on is because I haven't started it, but we don't need to start it. And then, as you can see, electric sunroof, and then a few of your options for interior lighting and so on, all tucked up there. Let's just turn that off. So there you have it. There is our lovely two-owner from new Porsche Panamera S Tiptronic. Like I say, there's a lot of options, so I'm sure I've missed a few, but you know, basically, I know the alloys would have been an option. The sports chrono pack, park assist front and rear with the surround cameras, glass sunroof, 4-zone climate, soft closed doors, privacy glass, Porsche crested seats. It's, yeah, the black, I think they call it the black exterior pack. So all the chrome around the windows, they then change to be black. So there's loads, but I'm sure I've missed quite a few. But to find out for definite, have a look. But do pick up the phone to make the before you make the journey. That way we can avoid any wasted journeys. Thanks for looking.